Hi, I'm Ben.
And I'm Erin.
Today we're going to show you how you can use your existing Echo and Shorty printer to create your very own DTF transfers.
In this video we'll look at
What is DTF?
how to create DTF.
And the benefits of using it.
So, what exactly is DTF?
DTF stands for direct to film. It's a new buzzword within the printing industry at the moment, and the great news is you already have the equipment to produce it.
Rather than printing directly onto the garment, we use a combination of film, powder and a non-slip pad to create a full colour transfer with no weeding.
DTF can be used on fabrics you wouldn't usually be able to print onto, such as polyester, nylon and many more, without the need for pre-trimming, all at a low cost to print.
With that in mind, let's create a DTF transfer.
This is the TexJet Echo 2. This will be the printer we'll be using to create our very own DTF transfer.
This is your blue non-slip pad, so we always place it here on the platen and then it's ready for the DTF transfer to go on top. So all that this non-slip pad does is it stops the sheet from moving around in the printer whilst we're printing.
And the inks, do we need to change those at all?
No, so the inks stay exactly the same. I could print a DTF transfer now and a garment straight after. It's all in the software.
Nice, that looks about done. What's the next step?
So the next step is to add the powder. So we've just got to be a bit careful when we move this to the tray because it is still wet ink at the moment.
DTF Xpress powder. What does that do?
So this is our adhesive powder. So essentially it binds with the ink on the sheet to create a glue for the transfer. So all you need to do, sprinkle it along the bottom edge. And now don't worry if you put too much down because you can reuse whatever powder you don't stick to the sheet. So pick it up by one of the corners and you just want to smoothly just shake the powder down the sheet, just making sure you cover all of those areas. Give it a quick shake and then that is ready for our next stage of the process. So this is our Schultz heat press here.
I thought we'd need an oven.
No, so all you need to make sure is that the hot plate doesn't touch the transfer. So we've already set ours up so it's just going to hover over the transfer, not touch it.
And does that take long?
No, so it only takes 90 seconds at this stage. So we'll close the heat press and let it cure.
Nice.
So now we're at the final stages of our DTF transfer process.
This looks like polyester.
Yeah, so it's 100% polyester, which is something you wouldn't normally be able to print on using direct-to garment printing alone.
Pre-treatment?
No pre-treatment at all, transfer just presses directly onto the product.
And timing?
Just 30 seconds to press this. So, should we press one?
Let's do it.
So that's all complete now, so we're just going to take it to cool down, ready for the peel.
So that's DTF. Let's recap the benefits. For me, it's the fabric. Now I can print onto anything, not just cotton.
I really like the fact that you can print multiple logos on one sheet, saving you time and money in production.
And let's not forget, that's all without any pre-treatment.
So if you'd like to try this for yourself, we do have a sample pack to get you started. Thanks for watching.